Engauge AI is a powerful new AI software that's just been released, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're on the hunt for the best AI tools that can elevate your digital marketing and make your work easier, this review is exactly what you need to hear. Stick around because I'll also be sharing how you can try Engauge AI for completely free, so keep watching. Now, let's dive in. First off, what is Engauge AI? This tool is designed for marketers, businesses, and content creators who need a powerful, automated solution for everything from market analysis to content generation. Engauge uses cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to understand your business, your content, and even your audience better than ever before. The first thing you'll notice is how quickly Engauge AI adapts to your needs. It doesn't require hours of setup or a steep learning curve. Once integrated, the software starts working immediately, offering real-time insights and suggestions that help you optimize your strategy without needing to hire a data science team. Another game changer is its ability to generate high-quality content for social media, blogs, and emails with just a few clicks. Engauge AI's natural language processing capabilities make it stand out in the crowded AI space by producing human-like text that you can use right away. Whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, or social media updates, this tool has you covered, saving you tons of time in the content creation process. But it's not just about content creation. Engauge AI also helps you better understand your audience's behavior through its advanced analytics dashboard. By analyzing patterns in your audience's interaction with your content, the software provides actionable insights on what works and what doesn't. This means no more guessing about what will get clicks or sales. Engauge AI does that for you. Another feature I really love is the automated email campaigns. If you've been struggling to keep up with personalized emails for your leads or customers, this tool takes care of that with ease. Engauge AI segments your contacts based on their behavior and interactions, so every email feels customized to their specific needs. This personalized touch can make a huge difference in your conversion rates. Now, you might be thinking about the cost. Here's the best part. Engauge AI offers a free trial, so you can try all these amazing features without committing a dime. There's no catch, no hidden fees. Simply sign up, and you get access to the full tool for a limited time. One of the best things about Engauge AI is how scalable it is. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, this software grows with you. It's versatile and can be customized to fit various industries and business models, making it a perfect fit for a wide range of users. Lastly, Engauge AI is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Even if you're not super tech-savvy, the interface is clean, and the tool provides clear guidance on how to make the most of its features. If you've ever used complicated software that left you frustrated, you'll appreciate just how simple Engauge AI is to navigate. So, after trying out thousands of AI software, I've found that Engauge AI truly stands out. If you're looking to automate your digital marketing efforts and maximize your ROI, I highly recommend giving it a try. Again, you can access Engauge AI for free using the first link in the description below. And don't forget, I've also listed my top recommended AI software down there, along with links to try them for free after testing out many options myself. Check them out if you're looking to elevate your business with the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.